Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today is the hot cocoa treat and sweet open collaboration, guys. So as you guys can see, I get rid of my air fryer because it's big and it takes a lot of space on my counter. You guys know that I have a small kitchen, so I will be giving it to somebody that actually needs it and they could use it. I barely use it. Maybe I have used it maybe like 5 times since I have it. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to be doing my hot cocoa treats and sweet open collaboration. And this is hosted by Sandy Lynn Home and Garden and the Grace Life DIY. This is co-hosted by Jennifer at Home, Designs with Emma, Barbie, Daily Rural Life, In the Village, B, Meet Meal B, Debbie Bubbles, myself, Deborah, Cabassa, Home Living, and Decorating with Us. Guys, um, my station is going to be simple because I have not gone to the store and buy my treats. But I usually bake. I do have some cookies. So I'm going to set something simple. And first, I'm going to start by taking my stuff out of the counter and cleaning my counter. Okay. So let me grab some cleaner. I hope you guys are doing okay. So we're going to clean everything, including the wall, because when we cook, especially me that I'm constantly baking, stuff goes all over the place. So we are going to be cleaning. Guys, sorry about my bag. There's no other way that I can do this without you guys seeing my bag. So I apologize. Let's put this in the floor. Guys, I was cleaning. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I refreshed my tiny apartment, but it's okay. I will record for you guys again when I'm doing my appliances. So I'm just cleaning because I don't want to set up my station and then it's not clean. So what's the use of that, right? Guys, I also want to say you hear talking in the background. I will not be apologizing because I am listening to the word of God. All right. So that's that. I don't know how I'm going to start with this, but I want to start by using my little shelf here. It's full of dust, well, flour, because like I said, I've been baking for the past few weeks. But I'm always baking, guys. You guys know that. Okay, I also want to mention on the 17th, the Grace Life DIY and myself are hosting the fall tea party. So I hope you guys can join us. Do a little something. You don't have to do nothing big, you know. So we would love to see you guys there. So let me grab, I gotta grab something else. All right. I'm going to start with my little shelf there. And my cup holder is a tiny one. I think I will put it over here. I don't know where to start, guys. I really don't know where to start. We'll be using my red container. I have this for a long time. I thrifted this, wow, maybe about 6 years ago. And I actually use this to add my cocoa. But guys, like I said, this one is going to be a simple station, but come Christmas and Valentine's, if we have this collaboration again, we will have a nice station as well. I will be ready for that one. All right, guys, I have some hot cocoa packages. I have the Swiss, and yeah, I have the Swiss milk chocolate flavor and the Swiss mini marshmallows. So I will be adding this in here. Okay. I will be adding this here. I will put it right here on the top. I don't know if I want it there because it's no. I think I will put it there on the side. And also I have my jars with the cookie that I bake. This is coming up tonight for the Sunday night actually. You're gonna see this video afterwards. I gave you a nice recipe, so I hope you utilize it for you and your family. It's a delicious recipe. I only got 4 left out of 20 something cookies that I baked, but they are delicious. I will be adding that one there. And in my other one, I have ginger snap. I love ginger snap, guys. I have ginger snaps. You know, I want to add some window cleans on that one. So give me 1 second. I'm filling up my coffee jar. I usually buy my coffee in this big container. So, and I fill a jar. So that's what I'm doing. Because I like to keep my coffee in the counter so I know how much more or less I have. So I don't fill it up too much. So I gotta go shopping, guys. I gotta get some more powder cream. My husband loves his powder cream, so. And I think I want to do a gingerbread theme. So well, I cannot find my window cleans, guys, but I just remember that I had some gingerbread theme. So I will put that there. And also, I'm going to be using my new glasses that I purchased for the holidays. Dollar Tree is carrying these beautiful mugs. So you guys know that I love red on my kitchen, so I decided to get these ones. So, and I buy 4 because it's 4 of us, my daughter, my son, and my husband. My grandson has different mugs, which I will not be adding here because I have to unpack them. And those are $1.25 each. And also I have some pops in here. So this will be going in here. Everything is so dusty. It doesn't matter how much you clean. So I will be putting that there. And I got one of my little that I purchased at Walmart. So I'm going to add in my gingerbread. Oh, it's too big. So let's add the little cupcake little ottoman. Let me cut this tag off. So I will be adding this one on the top here. He is so cute, guys. And also I want to add these two ornaments that I also got. I want to add them on the here on the wall. So I will be doing that in a minute. Let me find my other, because I gotta add my I don't know, around this time I love drinking apple cider. Guys, I find this box of apple cider at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and it's really good. I love it. I could either drink it hot or cold. So that's what are we going to do. All right, let me find my container for it, and then we are going to continue. All right, I'm going to put my with my mouse, and I'm going to put my, this is my box of recipes. I use this box when I want a special recipe. This box is from the 1970s. So I have so many recipes here, guys. And also I have my cookie recipes here. So we're going to be adding my box because it's the item that I actually use. And on top of there, I will be adding my little guy here, my chef. So, because he's always got to be in there, because I utilize him. Also, I have this little things to put on the wall. So, I wanted to put tape in the back of the little ottoman to stick on the wall, but they don't want to stick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this double cider tape with a little hook, and I'm going to hang them from there. So I think I want one over here. Yeah, over here by each corner of the coffee pot right over there. So let me move you guys this way and a little closer. I'm going to give you a close-up when I'm done hanging it. So let me hang them, guys. I'm just putting my stuff that I actually used when I cooked. My salt and pepper shakers. These are very old. I have this for a very long time, more than 10 years. I thrifted them. And this is something that the adults can add to their hot cocoa if they choose to. So I think that looks very nice. So let's add a little guy right in front of it because that's just for adults. So I just wanted to, here it is, guys. So here is my hot cocoa station, tea station, because I also drink hot tea. And we cannot forget my bullet because I use this all the time. This is something that is a must for me to have. I do my smoothies. So I want to thank Sandy Lynn and Anna for inviting me to co-host in this collaboration. So yeah, guys. And guys, if anybody of you guys want to host in the tea party collaborations, just send Anna a message and she will gladly add you to the flyer, okay? So I will be putting my bullet here and connecting it because I always keep it plugged. All right, guys. So I hope you like what I put together for you. Let me bring you guys close and show you. And this is a station that is actually functional. It's actually going to be used. It's not just for decor, because I do consume and use everything there's in here. Here is sugar, and here is when I put cream. So I have two little spoons because I could also use powder cream to bring to the table for a tea party, or I could use liquid, oh Lord, liquid cream. So let me bring you guys down and show you what it looks like from close. And here is my coffee station, hot cocoa station, and of course my sweets, my cookies. I also have pops in here. And the bottom one, I have, what do I have in the bottom one? Oh, I have a little package. I have wonton soup, and I got the little noodles there. But that's where I actually put marshmallows. I have marshmallows, but we ran out. I have my powdered cream. I have ginger snap cookies here on the bottom, hot cocoa, and apple cider for drink. I think I want to move my apple cider over here so it won't be so close to the sink. Yep, that's perfect right there. And I got my little gingerbread guys on the back. I have this one here because I have my tea up here, but I put him right there. He looks cute there as well. Or I could even put him here. So it doesn't matter where I put him. So I think I put him right here. So yeah, guys, let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.